Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to reread a book on Goodreads. All right. So first up, go ahead and log into Goodreads.com. Now, once done, go to the top and here we have these tabs. Just go ahead over to My Books. All right. Just click on it and wait for it to load. Now, once it loads, you'll have the list of your shelves right here. All right. Now, if you have a ton of books right here in the list, you can go ahead and use the search function right here. All right. Now, once you have it located, go ahead and go to the far right. Right here, we have the edit button. All right. Just click on it. Now, in here, you're going to want to scroll down, then go to the dates right here. For example, I started reading this yesterday, May 17th. All right. And finished this one today. Okay. 2025, May 18th. Okay. Now, once that's done, as you can see here below this, we have rereading. Now you can track all the times you have read a book. Make sure to fill in the year finished to have it added to your reading challenge. All right, go ahead and add a read date right here. Now, as you can see here, these are optional, but if you want to, you can go ahead and add in, for example, maybe the date today. Okay. And this one as well. Now, once that's done, just hit on save. Wait for it to load. All right, just a quick note here, shelving a different edition of the book each time you've read it will also count towards the total number of rereads, as each edition will have its own reading sessions, right? Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.